the most well-trodden bit. And the thing that usually knocks me off is when I'm not expecting there to be a rut somewhere, and then I just scrape it with the front wheel whilst like making an adjustment for something or other, and I just go straight off. Carefully. Right, slippery, chalky bit this. I've got this sort of slick top because the mud's not thick enough for the knobbly bits to dig in. Doesn't want people to come up here, clearly. I think a lot of this has been cleared recently, so it looks different to the last time I was here. Right, well, it looks like the next one is closed, so I guess that's the end of the bywaying for one day. We're out anyway. Stopped up at Chievely Services and then remembered there's a byway right next to it, so carry on carefully, of course. Finish the snack. Time to carry on exploring. See if I can remember how to wind my way home going mostly on trails. Probably won't, let's have a try. I remember it was right at the end here. And there's another one not far away. Well, this is technically a byway. Obviously, quite a well-paved one. Got byway side at the end. Just winding my way back to some of my favourite kind of local trails. The scenic route. Do some light gravelly byways around Upper Bucklebury. Quite frequented by people on horseback, so they're quite good for big bikes actually. If you're just starting out, they're quite decent. There's some more challenging ones on the other side of the main road. Lucky to have all this around, like within easy reach of my house. Pretty good going, really. I guess the trick is not to get complacent because it's like a reasonably well kept and and well maintained. Also, this is the one more won't hurt byway, so I need to definitely make sure I pay attention and get home safe and sound. Some of these holes are pretty big earlier. Well, maybe we'll have a little look at it first. There's always more lanes to go and explore. There's plenty of time to do that tomorrow.